has moved slightly higher early in the day. A similar scenario was observed on Tuesday, but by the end of the session, Brent quotes went to the negative zone. The ruble continues a downward trend with a possible target at 66 rubles per dollar. Full restoration of oil production in Saudi Arabia, partial ceasefire in Yemen, as well as concerns about the prospects of global economy weighed down considerably on the oil quotes. However, in the short term, oil buys are very likely to gain momentum since the news background is promising. First of all, Venezuela and Iran are expected to reduce oil supply. Besides, traders count on speculations about a possible disruption of oil deliveries through the Persian Gulf. In addition, the market can be influenced by a new round of trade talks between the US and China. The situation with the trade deal stays vague and unclear as always. On Wednesday, crude oil prices went slightly higher, with the Brent oil trading at $59.08 per barrel. The price growth was caused by a fall in the U.S. crude inventories, which decreased by 5.92 million barrels, according to the American Petroleum Institute. The ruble has lost momentum gained after the drone attacks on Saudi oil facilities. The US dollar also stops the ruble from further increase. American currency keeps gaining ground despite an unexpectedly weak data from the US industrial sector and another portion of criticism against Donald Trump. This news triggered a short-term fall in the US dollar index yesterday in the evening. On Wednesday, the dollar-ruble pair opened the session with a slight rise and settled at the level of 65.37. No important economic reports from the US are expected today. The data from the Department of Energy may push the dollar-ruble pair down to the level of 64.96. Otherwise, the pair has all the chances for a further growth. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.